Hey everyone, my name's Jess and welcome to our art school tour. So I'm going to show you through our art school and talk a little bit about it. So down here on our ground level we have the kitchen space, and this is a great area to relax, chill out. We have cups of tea and coffee down here as well, and we also have 3 toilets just straight through the kitchen towards the back. So that's all downstairs. How about let's go upstairs? This is the main floor and it's kind of divided up into a few different sections. First of all, we have a little space over here where we can store some different artworks if students have really big canvases. We also have this big cleanup space where we have terps baths for oil painters and plenty of space to clean up for everybody else. As we keep on walking through the space, we come over here and we have this big open area. This is excellent for courses and workshops, but all of our kids and teens have classes here too. When we need to set things up for lots of students to view, this is a terrific space for that. And our adults really love that they have lots of space to spread out in and do their work as well. Keep on coming through here. This is another room we have for teaching in. My teenagers are here a couple of times a week and our adults love this space too. It's nice and bright. The next little space that we have is another storage area, which is also excellent for drying things in. So if you've got large canvases and you don't want to take them home every day, keep them here. We've got space, we're all good. This space here is kind of on the other side of the stairwell and it's like our secondary teaching space. It also gets amazing natural light. We've got heaps of resources here for people who want to learn more about watercolor, painting, and we've also got lots of clay happening at the back because we can do that here too. So that is our very brief Gold Coast Art School tour. Thanks for tuning in. And if you are a Gold Coast local and you or someone you know might like to do some art classes, get in touch. You can give us a call or a text or send us an email or a message, whatever you'd like to do. We would love to hear from you.